As we all know, the release of a new iPhone always comes with a flurry of leaks and speculation about the new features and improvements. And this time, the rumors suggest that Apple has some exciting plans in store. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the top 5 rumored new features of the iPhone 15 Pro, and we'll be analyzing whether or not they're likely to materialize. So if you're an Apple user or just a tech enthusiast, you don't want to miss out on this exciting video. Let's dive in and see what the rumored new features of the iPhone 15 Pro have in store. Hit that subscribe button to don't miss out on the latest developments in the world of Apple technology. iPhone 15 Pro. Top 5 rumored new features. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 15 lineup in September. As usual, the Pro and Pro Max models are expected to have a wide range of new features, including a USB-C port, A16 Bionic chip, titanium frame, and more. We have recapped the top 5 new features rumored for the iPhone 15 Pro models. Number 1. USB-C port. iPhone 15 Pro models are widely rumored to feature a USB-C port, providing a more universal charging standard. On the Pro models, the USB-C port is expected to support at least USB 3.2 or Thunderbolt 3, which would result in the devices having significantly faster data transfer speeds over a wired connection compared to existing iPhones with a Lightning port. Number 2. Action button. iPhone 15 Pro models are rumored to be equipped with a customizable action button like the Apple Watch Ultra. The button would replace the ring/silent switch that has been included on every iPhone model since 2007. Users would likely be able to assign the button to various system functions, such as ring/silent, do not disturb, flashlight, low power mode, and more. Number 3. Titanium frame. A second Apple Watch Ultra feature that iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to adopt is a titanium frame versus stainless steel on the iPhone 14 Pro. The titanium frame is said to have more of a brushed finish. Number 4. A16 Bionic chip. iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to be equipped with Apple's next generation A17 Bionic chip. The chip will reportedly be manufactured based on TSMC's advanced 3-in process for significant performance and power efficiency improvements compared to the 5-in, A16 Bionic chip in iPhone 14 Pro models. Number 5. Ultra-thin bezels. iPhone 15 Pro models are rumored to have even thinner, slightly curved bezels around the display. With around 2 months to go until the iPhone 15 lineup is unveiled, additional features could be rumored, so keep tabs on our iPhone 15 Pro roundup. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 15 lineup in September. As usual, the Pro models are expected to have a wider range of new features, including an A17 Bionic chip, titanium frame, faster USB-C port, and more. But the iPhone 15 series launch could be delayed until October. Apple's launch of the iPhone 15 series could be delayed by a few weeks, pushing the debut of the company's next-generation smartphone lineup beyond its usual September timeframe, according to Wamsi Mohan, a global securities analyst at Bank of America. Mohan shared his prediction in a research note obtained by Barron's after conducting channel checks in Apple's supply chain. Mohan said the launch looked like it could slip into the fourth quarter, which runs through October to December, and he was concerned that guidance for the third quarter could disappoint Wall Street analysts as a result of the possible delay. Mohan now sees September quarter revenue of $87.1 billion, well below consensus at $91.6 billion, even with a 2.5% tailwind in the quarter from favorable foreign exchange rates. The analyst said he expects sales of 48 million iPhone units in the September quarter, below the street consensus forecast of 51 million. Mohan, who frequently participates in Apple earnings calls, did not give a reason for the alleged iPhone 15 launch delay, and there have been no other indicators from other sources suggesting that Apple's next flagship iPhone lineup might not arrive in September, so his prediction should be taken with caution. This is all what we have for today's video. See you soon. Leave with a smile. Peace out.